Imagine yourself in this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: delay-off headlights, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, 6-speaker audio system, dual front side impact airbags, dual front impact airbags, and 40/20/40 front split bench seat. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.